Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel HassanPTE. My name is Hassan and in this video I want to do a retailer lecture. A retailer lecture is one of the questions in PTE. It's a speaking question where you will hear on audio. On the basis of audio you have to retell a lecture. We have a structure in this video. The structure is similar to our describe image. We said in describe image like the picture is mainly about something, and here we said the audio is mainly about. Now without further ado I am going to start first retailer lecture. Now I will do a retailer lecture test myself and show you how easily you can
audio
score
was mainly
it.
about doing hard things, also about enjoy, also about difficult things, also about two things, also about mindset and inner self, also about to operate mindset, read books and good time, also about reading books, next tip, also about utilize habits, also about so work coffee. I really enjoy cup of coffee and pay of coffee addiction, reading books, also about drink
However,
coffee,
in
learn food, also
exam,
about entire book,
2
also
to
about
3
reading books,
questions
also
in
about
a
doing
real
hard things,
exam,
also
but
about
here
I
I
really enjoy
am
cup of
practicing
coffee,
1
also
or
about pay
2
of coffee
questions.
addiction, reading books.
I
I
am
think that enough. Thank
going
you
to
so much.
use sheet paper and pen. 15 words are enough for content. It will enough a lots of them, which will cover 90 by 90. Some people feel that they speak to talk more, but it's actually a myth. If you follow what I am doing and getting 15 by 15, you just need to write 15 words and not more words need to write for 15 by 15. So this is a way to attempting the retailer lecture.